$20,000. That's what Elon Musk says a robot will cost to cook your family 3 meals a day. A human chef? Over $80,000 a year. So, is Tesla's bot already beating the chef you can't afford? Or is it just hype that's years away? Stick with me. By the end, you'll know what it can cook today, what it still can't, and whether 20 grand is even real.
Let's start with the money, because this is where it hits your wallet directly. According to ZipRecruiter's April 2026 data, the average full-time personal chef earns around $70,000 a year. Before you add anything else, once you add employer taxes, 7.65% in FICA alone, paid time off and ingredients on top of labor, you're looking at well over $80,000 a year for someone to cook your meals full-time. Most American families can't afford that. Not even close. So what do they do instead? They do it themselves every single day. According to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, Americans who actually cook daily spend close to 2 hours in the kitchen every single day. That's 700 hours a year. Think about that. 700 hours just on cooking. Now imagine getting every single one of those hours back. That's the trade a $20,000 robot is designed to offer. So the choice has always been brutal. Pay a fortune you don't have, or pay with your time. But what if Tesla just found a third option? For less than the price of a used car. It comes down to one thing most people overlook. It's hands. And what Tesla built is honestly hard to believe.
So what exactly is Tesla's answer to this problem? Elon Musk has said again and again that Optimus will be, in his words, the biggest product ever. Not just Tesla's biggest product ever, but probably the biggest product ever. Bigger than the smartphone, bigger than the automobile. That's the scale he's talking about. So what is this thing exactly? Optimus is a humanoid robot. It stands 5 feet 8 inches tall, weighs 125 pounds, carries up to 44 pounds, and it walks at a steady human-like pace. It looks and moves like a person, but the hands are what make this genuinely different. The Gen 3 hands, confirmed February 2026, have 22 independent points of movement, more than double the previous generation. Each fingertip has pressure sensors built in. What does that mean in real life? It means Optimus can pick up a raw egg and not crack it. It can grip a knife, pour a liquid, open a cabinet door, not because it was programmed for each task, because its hands actually feel what they're touching. But the hands are only half the story. Tesla's brand new AI5 chip, taped out in April 2026, gives Optimus about 5 times the compute of Tesla's last chip, and Optimus gets it before Tesla's own cars do. This isn't a robot that memorizes recipes, it's a robot that thinks, watches, learns every single time it steps into a kitchen. And Elon Musk isn't shy about what that means. At the Abundance Summit in March 2026, he said this directly. By far the most advanced robot in the world. Nothing's even close. Tesla's target price? $20,000. Same as a used car. But can it actually cook? Let's find out. All right, let's answer the question. Can Optimus actually cook? Here's what Tesla has officially demonstrated. Not rumors, not renders, actual confirmed footage. Optimus has demonstrated cracking eggs without breaking the yolk, stirring a pot on a live stove, pouring liquids without spilling, opening cabinet doors, operating kitchen appliances. And in July 2025, at Tesla's new diner in Hollywood, an Optimus served popcorn to real customers for weeks. In full honesty, that diner robot was remote controlled by a human operator, not acting on its own. It even froze on opening day. So it is not proof the robot is autonomous. The real proof is somewhere else entirely. Because every time Optimus performs a task, whether in a factory or a diner, the AI is watching, learning, storing that experience, getting smarter with every single attempt. Think of it like this. The first time your teenager makes breakfast, it's a disaster. By the 100th time, they don't even think about it. Optimus works the same way, except it learns faster and it never forgets. And this is the real proof. Right now, over 1,000 Optimus units work inside Tesla's factories at Giga Texas and Fremont every single day. moving among forklifts, workers, and machinery with no one controlling them, mostly gathering the real-world data that makes the next version smarter. Every hour they work, they get smarter, and every hour brings it one step closer to your kitchen. There's one more thing that changes everything. Tesla says Optimus is being trained to learn new tasks just by watching video, not by being manually programmed, by watching. The same way you learn to cook by watching your mother in the kitchen. The difference? You needed years. Optimus needs hours. But cooking 3 full meals, breakfast, lunch, dinner, with everything happening at once, that's where we need to be honest with you. And that's exactly what we're going to do next.
Let's address the 3 biggest doubts head on, because you deserve the real answer. First, the teleoperation controversy. At the October 2024 We Robot event, those Optimus units chatted with guests and served drinks. They were not fully autonomous. Tesla's own engineering lead, Milan Kovac, later acknowledged they were human-assisted. Remote operators, motion capture suits, that's a legitimate criticism, and we're not going to pretend otherwise. But here's the part most people miss. Teleoperation isn't a trick. It's how the neural network learns. Every single human-assisted demo becomes training data. Every movement feeds the system. And the payoff is what we're seeing now. Over 1,000 units operating autonomously in a live factory environment. The autonomy chapter is opening. It just isn't finished yet. Second, the price. We have to be direct. Tesla has not confirmed a retail price. $20,000 is Elon Musk's long-term target. His stated goal, but it requires a manufacturing scale that does not yet exist. Today, the actual build cost of a single Optimus unit is estimated between $50,000 and $80,000. According to Morgan Stanley analysis, early enterprise sales are expected around $30,000. Could Tesla get there? Absolutely. They did it with batteries, they did it with solar panels. But if you're making a financial decision, treat $20,000 as the destination, not the current price tag. Third, the cooking gap. Optimus can handle eggs, stir, pour, navigate your kitchen, all confirmed. But 3 full meals autonomously, breakfast, lunch, dinner, everything at once, not confirmed yet. Not for your home, not today. That's the honest answer to the question this video asked. This is a journey, not a destination. But the trajectory is real.
Let's paint the picture. It's 6 a.m. You have a meeting at 8. Normally, you're rushing. Skipping breakfast, maybe grabbing something on the way out. But this morning, the coffee started at 5:45. Eggs are on the stove. Toast just popped. Your kid's lunch is already wrapped on the counter. You didn't ask anyone. You didn't schedule anything. It just happened. It's Sunday. Normally 2 hours of meal prep, dishes, cleanup. But instead, you're sitting on your porch with your coffee because it's already handled. It's your anniversary. No stress about reservations, no crowded restaurant. Dinner for 2. Plated properly, being prepared in your own kitchen by a robot that costs less than a used car. Now, let's talk numbers. A part-time personal chef, 2 hours a day, 5 days a week, at just $50 an hour costs you $26,000 a year in labor alone. Groceries are extra. That full-time chef we started with, over $80,000 a year. Once you add taxes and benefits, Tesla's Optimus, at the $20,000 target price, spread over 5 years, costs $4,000 a year. And remember those 700 hours a year you spend cooking? That's 29 full days of your life, every single year, given back to you, to spend with your family, on your health, on the things that actually matter. But here's what this is really about. It isn't just about convenience. For millions of American families, this is about time they are never getting back. $20,000, one time. For a personal chef that never calls in sick, never asks for a raise, and never burns your dinner. That's the world Tesla is building.
So the tech is real, the price is a target, and full cooking isn't here yet. Which leaves the one question that matters. When could one of these actually stand in your kitchen? Here's the honest roadmap. Late July or August 2026, production starts. Musk confirmed this on the Q1 2026 earnings call. Late 2026, first external sales. Businesses only, around $30,000. End of 2027, consumer target. Musk said this at Davos in January 2026. Plan for 2028, hope for 2027. One thing to watch for, the moment Tesla announces consumer pre-orders, that's your green light. That's the day this becomes real for your kitchen. Goldman Sachs projects a $38 billion humanoid robotics market by 2035. Morgan Stanley projects $5 trillion by 2050. Rosie the robot isn't a cartoon anymore. She's being built on a factory floor in Texas right now. And in 2027, or maybe 2028, she might be standing in your kitchen at 6 a.m., making your eggs exactly the way you like them.
Let's bring it home. 3 things to remember. 1. Optimus is real. It's already deployed in Tesla's factories, and production for sale starts this summer. The confirmed demos, the factory deployment, the AI 5 chip, this is not vaporware. This is happening. 2. The $20,000 price is a target, not a guarantee. Technology is coming, but the affordable consumer price needs manufacturing scale that is still being built. Treat it as a goal, not a given. 3. The cooking capability is promising, but not fully proven for home use yet. What Tesla has demonstrated is impressive. What they are building toward is genuinely life-changing. The gap between those 2 things is closing fast. Now, we want to hear from you. If Optimus could handle just 1 meal a day in your home, which one would you hand over first? Breakfast, lunch, or dinner? And what is the maximum monthly payment you would consider for a robot that never burns your dinner and never asks for a night off? Drop your answer in the comments. We genuinely want to know. If you learned something today, we humbly ask that you please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. We cover the biggest tech stories shaping your future, and we always give you the truth, not the hype. Our next video covers something about Optimus that nobody is talking about yet. You will not want to miss it. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, take care, stay safe, and God bless.